How to remove business from Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can remove your business account from Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now maybe you switched to a business account before and then you converted your normal Cash App account to a business account. Now you want to remove the business and then you want to switch it back into your personal account. Well, it's a little bit different process because when we wanted to switch to business account we could do it ourselves, but when we have to actually switch back to personal account we have to contact Cash App support. To get started, we are going to just go ahead and launch Cash App on our phone. Then once we launch Cash App, you'll see this type of interface where you have to tap the profile icon from the top right. Now if you already have a business account, then if you come here you'll find the option called business info. All you need to do is just tap on the business info button here, and then here you'll find a button that says switch to a personal account. All you have to do is just tap on switch to personal account. So as you can see, it says me, scroll down over here, it says contact support if you want to switch to a personal account. So tap on the contact support button, select contact support, chat with the support over here, tap on the chat button, let them know that you want to delete your business and then you want to switch it back to a personal account, and they should be able to help you with that. But as I said earlier, it's a bit different process, but don't worry, it's very easy because the support team is going to get back to you instantly. Hope this video helped you and answered your question as to how you can remove your business from Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.